Well, hello. This is Dr. August Dunning, and I do these interesting little, just watch a crab run across the sand, do these interesting little talks on dry fasting. And today I'm going to talk about something really important. We're going to talk about Fisetin, because what Fisetin does, it kills senescent cells. And senescent cells are the kind of cell that has an open transferrin receptor, TFR. Because of that, it loads iron. It overloads with iron, which is causing senescence all over the body. Fisetin, as you can see in this picture, is a remarkable material because Fisetin can restore the youth in aged mice. And the reason it does that is because Fisetin is able to hit the signaling pathways to kill senescent cells. Senescent cells, like I said, load up with iron. They end up going senescent. They end up secreting all these SASPs, these senescent associated secretory phenotypes, which are basically interleukins, 6, 8, 28, proteases, these things that dissolve cells next to them, these chemicals that affect the health of adjacent cells, causing them to go senescent. So it really is the bad apple in the barrel scenario. But because of that, you can take a Fisetin hit and run using this product, the F30, which gives you 30 pills, 6 per day for 5 days, and it gets rid of senescent cells. If you want to do it with your partner, we got the F60, which is 60 count, which makes sure that you and your partner can do Fisetin hit and runs, because it really, really helps. It gets rid of senescent cells. You'll see an improvement in health. By getting rid of these SASPs, you see a huge improvement. So yeah, I do a Fisetin hit and run before I do a 7-day dry fast. Yearly. I do a 7-day dry fast yearly. And because of that, I'm removing senescent cells. And because of that, I'm removing the iron that those senescent cells have accumulated. In odd ways, but it comes out at the end, out of my end. So yeah, that's the message today. If you want to get healthier quickly, take some Fisetin and get rid of your senescent cells. It's very effective at this. I know a friend of mine up in Maine got into it, and sure enough, he had some problems that were relieved and resolved by just doing Fisetin. I'm trying to convince him to do a dry fast, but you know, it's hard to convince a few people. All you guys out there that have done this before, you know how easy it is. But it's that leap of faith to break away from the ingraining by the industry, the medical industry, that this is unsafe, oh my gosh, blah, blah, blah. Well, I've done 8 of them so far, still here. Anyway, so that's the message today. Try a Fisetin hit and run. It really works. F30 for 1, F60 for 2, and do it with your partner, do it with your friends, because it's just easy. You do it, you get rid of senescent cells, you feel better. Anyway, that's the message today. I don't monetize these videos, so please hit the like button. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you are new here, go down below and look at the videos. It may have a lot of explanations to some of the questions you may have about dry fasting. But in the meantime, you know, if you've had success dry fasting, please post your success, because it may be the push someone needs to go ahead and give it a try. And then they can start taking control of their health, because that's why I'm here. I'm not here to do anything but show you the way to have a healthier, happier life, because that's all we have on this planet. I want to have more now. I'm sure you do too. Anyway, I love you guys, and thanks for tuning in. I will see you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.